You've heard of biohacking, but have you heard of fibermaxing? It's the newest gut healing trend taking over health circles. Not a diet, but a daily ritual to reset your digestion, reduce cravings, and heal your body from the inside out. Discover the new gut healing lifestyle that's changing how people eat, think, and feel. Fibermaxing. Learn how to heal your digestion, reduce cravings, balance your mood, and unlock natural energy by feeding your body 30 to 40 grams of fiber daily from whole foods. In this video, you'll learn what fibermaxing is and how it works. Top 10 healing fiber foods that reset your gut. Easy recipes for oats, chia, lentils, avocado, and more. The best times to eat fiber for max results. Tips to start your Fibermaxx journey safely. Your gut controls your health, from your skin to your hormones to your mood. Start healing it one fiber-rich bite at a time. Watch until the end to see how to start your own fibermaxing plan today. So what exactly is fibermaxing? It's a lifestyle focused on maximizing your fiber intake from whole natural foods, not pills or powders, to reach around 30-40 grams of fiber a day. But here's the secret. It's not just about eating more fiber, it's about eating it smart. Combining soluble and insoluble fibers, prebiotics and probiotics, and timing them right to keep your gut bacteria happy and your metabolism humming. When you Fibermaxx right, you'll notice less bloating, easier digestion, more stable energy, glowing skin, and even improved mood, because your gut and brain are deeply connected. Why fiber is a super healer? Fiber isn't just roughage, it's medicine. It feeds your good gut bacteria, which produce short-chain fatty acids that heal your gut lining, fight inflammation, and even regulate hormones. Think of your gut like a garden. Fiber is the fertilizer that helps the good microbes grow and crowd out the bad ones. No fiber, no flowers, just weeds. How much fiber do you need? Most people today only get around 10 to 15 grams a day. That's less than half of what your body truly needs. Experts recommend about 25 grams for women and 38 grams for men, but those who Fibermaxx aim for 30 to 40 grams daily using a balanced mix of foods. Don't worry, Basti, we'll show you how to do it easily, naturally, and deliciously. Top 10 healing fiber foods for Fibermaxing. Number 10, oats, the soluble fiber king. Start your morning with oats. Rich in beta-glucan, it lowers cholesterol, stabilizes blood sugar, and keeps you full for hours. Recipe idea: overnight oats with chia seeds, almond milk, and berries. Best time to take: breakfast or pre-workout meal. Number 9, chia seeds, the tiny gut cleansers. A tablespoon of chia seeds gives you about 10 grams of fiber. When soaked, they form a gel that gently scrubs your intestines and supports hydration. Recipe idea: chia pudding with coconut milk and mango cubes. Best time: morning or as a mid-afternoon snack. Number 8, green bananas, the resistant starch hero. Unripe bananas contain resistant starch, a prebiotic fiber that feeds your healthy gut bacteria and boosts fat metabolism. Recipe idea: green banana smoothie with spinach, oats, and honey. Best time: before lunch for sustained energy. Number 7, sweet potatoes, the comfort food with fiber. Loaded with fiber and antioxidants like beta-carotene, they help regulate digestion and support eye and immune health. Recipe idea: baked sweet potato fries with olive oil and rosemary. Best time: lunch or dinner side dish. Number 6, apples, nature's gut medicine. An apple a day truly keeps the doctor away, thanks to pectin, a soluble fiber that feeds your gut microbiome and detoxifies the colon. Recipe idea: warm apple cinnamon oats. Best time: breakfast or pre-workout snack. Number 5, lentils or mung beans, the plant protein and fiber combo. Lentils give you both soluble and insoluble fibers. They lower cholesterol and fuel long-lasting energy. Recipe idea: lentil soup with turmeric, carrots, and garlic. Best time: lunch or light dinner. Number 4, avocados, creamy fiber powerhouse. One avocado gives around 10 grams of fiber, plus healthy fats that help absorb vitamins. Perfect for gut and heart health. Recipe idea: mashed avocado toast with lemon and chia seeds. Best time: breakfast or post-workout. Number 3, flaxseeds, hormone balancer. Flax seeds contain lignans, fiber compounds that balance hormones and reduce inflammation. Recipe idea: sprinkle on smoothies or mix into oatmeal. Best time: any meal, just grind them fresh for better absorption. Number 2, leafy greens. Detox and restore spinach, kale, malunggay, all fiber-rich and loaded with chlorophyll to cleanse your gut and improve circulation. Recipe idea: green juice, kale, cucumber, lemon, and apple. Best time: morning empty stomach or mid-afternoon refresh. Number 1, Psyllium Husk, the ultimate Fibermaxxer. This natural fiber supplement expands in your gut, gently sweeping toxins away and relieving constipation. Recipe idea: mix 1 teaspoon Psyllium Husk in warm water with lemon. Best time: before bed, but always with plenty of water. How to Fibermaxx safely and effectively. If you're new to Fibermaxxing, start slow. Increase your intake gradually to avoid bloating. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Fiber absorbs water to do its job. Space your fiber across the day. Morning: oats plus fruit. Lunch: veggies plus legumes. Dinner: light cooked greens. Snacks: chia pudding or apple slices. This way, your gut gets a steady supply of nutrients without overload. The Fibermaxx lifestyle. Fibermaxxing isn't a short-term cleanse, it's a daily practice of gut care. The real magic happens when your microbiome transforms. You'll notice better digestion, clearer skin, sharper focus, and even balanced mood. Most people try to fix their health by dieting, cutting calories, or chasing detox fads. But Fibermaxxing isn't about restriction, it's about restoration. It's not a cleanse you quit after 7 days. It's a conversation with your gut that never ends. Because when your gut heals, your whole body listens. Imagine waking up and not feeling bloated anymore. No brain fog, no afternoon crash, just steady energy, clear skin, and focus that lasts all day. That's what happens when your microbiome finally trusts you again. It's not a miracle, it's consistency, one fiber-rich meal at a time. Think of your gut like a living garden. Every time you eat fiber, you plant seeds of balance, energy, and healing. Skip it for too long, and weeds, inflammation, fatigue, poor mood take over. But nurture it daily, and it gives back tenfold. Everyday Fibermaxxing routine lifestyle tips. Here's another way how Fibermaxxers live it daily. Morning: warm water with lemon and chia to wake up digestion. Lunch: a colorful plate, greens, grains, and legumes. Afternoon: apple or green juice pick-me-up. Dinner: light veggies or lentil soup with olive oil. And always, hydration, rest, and gratitude. The deeper why. Fibermaxxing is more than gut health. It's self-respect. It's saying, I care enough about my body to feed it what heals, not what harms. It's peace in your stomach, peace in your mind. And once you feel that, you'll never go back. So if you're tired of bloating, cravings, and feeling sluggish, it's time to Fibermaxx your life. Start small. Add 1 healing food today, maybe oats, chia, or leafy greens. Your gut doesn't need perfection, just direction. And as you stay consistent, you'll realize healing isn't a sprint, it's a lifestyle. Subscribe, and I'll show you more foods that heal, because your next meal could change everything.